This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. 4-bedroom stone, colonial twin with all the amenities of a single home. A generous, innovative floor plan, nearly 3,000 square feet of finished living space, 9 ceilings, first floor, finished walkout basement, beautiful, private wooded views, spacious designer kitchen with granite countertops, stained wood cabinets, full extension, dovetailed drawers with a soft close, clean steel appliances and center island, real hardwood floors, select grade oak, first floor command center, office, tiles baths and laundry, upgraded interior trim package, spacious master bedroom, with vaulted ceiling and walk-in closets, master bath, 6 soaking tub, 4 shower, double bowl vanity and separate toilet closet, 2-car garage and rear patio and deck, landscaping and paved driveway included. For more information